In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into QuickBooks Online and upload your bank statement with ease. Before we get started, be sure you have your PDF bank or credit card statement file handy and access to your QuickBooks Online account. Okay, let's dive right in. First, open up Google Chrome or your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type QuickBooks, intuit.com. This will take you to the home page of QuickBooks. Once there, locate the Sign In button, usually at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your QuickBooks credentials to access your account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, we need to navigate to the banking section. On the left sidebar, you'll find a menu. Click on Banking, or if it's labeled a little differently in your version, you might see Transactions with a drop-down where you can select Banking. This is the area where you'll manage and monitor your connected bank and credit card accounts. If you have multiple bank or credit card accounts linked in QuickBooks, you'll want to select the right one for which you intend to upload statements. Look at the top of your banking screen where all your accounts are neatly displayed and click on the specific account you're working with. Once you've selected the appropriate account, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find either a link account dropdown or an upload transactions button. Click on it and then choose the option to upload from file. This is where we'll bring in that bank statement we talked about earlier. Now comes the time to add your file. You can either click the Browse button to search through your computer's files or drag and drop the PDF document directly into the designated area for uploading. QuickBooks will do its best to interpret the data from your bank statement. However, it is worth noting that PDF files aren't always in an ideal table format. QuickBooks tends to prefer CSV, QBO, or OFX file formats because they allow for a more straightforward and efficient import process. If QuickBooks doesn't recognize your PDF correctly, you might need to convert it. There are many free tools available online to help you convert PDFs to a supported format like CSV. Doing this beforehand can save you some time and hassle. After the file is uploaded, you will be prompted to map the columns to the fields QuickBooks understands, such as date, description, and amount. It's a simple step that ensures your data is accurately imported. Once you've matched all necessary data and reviewed the transactions, click on Next or Finish to confirm your upload. Finally, go to the For Review tab to categorize and match the imported transactions. QuickBooks smartly suggests categories based on your previous data, making it easier to keep your accounts tidy and accurate. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently upload your bank statements to QuickBooks Online. Stay organized and on top of your finances with this seamless process. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave questions or comments below. Happy bookkeeping!